Alright, the next example I'm going to do, I noticed that my denominator is not common. I have 3n squared on the left side, right side of my equation, but I need it over here. So in order to get 3n squared, I have to multiply this whole quantity by 3 over 3. So I get 9 over 3n squared equals 1 over 3n squared minus, n, it's a bad n. I'm working on getting rid of that n. Thank you for your patience. So n plus 4, let's get rid of that thickness, all over 3n squared. Now my denominators are the same. Okay, I got the same denominators, so that means I'm going to multiply each side by 3n squared to get rid of my denominators. Isn't math kind of cool how you can just do things and not change the value and get it manipulated so you can solve it easily? So I did that, so my 3n squareds all cancel away. So now I have a 9 equals 1 minus the quantity of n plus 4. We want to be careful here because if you remember, when we're subtracting a quantity, we change the values to plus and opposite signs inside the parentheses. This was adding and subtracting polynomials lessons. So now I have 9 equals 1, take away a negative 4. So I have a negative 3 minus n. So let me get rid of the 3 on both sides, and I get 12 equals a negative n. To get a positive n, we divide by negative 1, and we end up with negative 12. Now I'm going to plug this answer back into probably this equation to see if it works. It's the easiest way to see. So I'll do that on my calculator and show you in just a second. And pull my calculator over. Alright, so I'm going to put 1 minus the quantity negative 12 plus 4, and that equals 9. Well, what's your other side of your equation? 9. All I did was plug it in this top. I plugged it in this one here because it's easier to see. It's easier to do than do all the fractions. And you're allowed to do that. That's the beauty of your math once you get equation solved. So this equation does work, so therefore your solution is n equals negative 12 because it works. Remember, we're checking for extraneous solutions. So this is example 2.